Hello and welcome to Reema's Garden. I am Reema Gopalan. So today we are going to talk about hydrangeas. Okay, I don't need to tell you how beautiful they are. Look at the flowers. It's a great time to pot hydrangeas. The beautiful or a very peculiar thing about hydrangeas are the flowers change the color depending on the pH of the soil. Okay. So the more acidic it is, the more it is towards the bluish side. The more alkali it is, the more it is towards the pinkish side. So I just have a normal compost. We'll see how the pH goes and what the next flowers look like. So ready to pot hydrangeas? Let's go ahead. So you know the drill. I've taken a pot. I ensured that there are holes properly. I covered the holes with the stones and then I've got enough soil in this. What I'll do is, I'll place them. I'll see the height is perfect. I say yes. Okay, then that's it. We potted. Now I'll be potting this. Slowly, nicely, yes. And there you go. And in the surrounding areas, I'll be using the compost rather than soil. And there we go. Our hydrangeas are potted. Thank you.